I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and if you want performance without the price tag, the new Ranger thermal monoculars from Pixfra are hard to beat. They'll help you find wildlife or people in the daylight, among the shadows, or in the dark. And here is everything you'll get in the box. Take 2 minutes to read the quick start guide, and you'll discover how to use the laser pointer and connect your thermal to your phone. There are 5 different Ranger models to fit your budget. All include a quick release neck strap, as well as an adjustable wrist strap, a USB Type-C cable for charging the internal battery and transferring data, as well as a pouch for keeping your thermal safe. When you first get your Pixfra Ranger, fully charge it for a few hours to get around 6 or 7 hours of use. Plug the cable in here and the other end into a suitable USB charging plug or socket. Charging from a computer's okay too, but it'll just take a bit longer. Make sure that's sealed and is fully waterproof to an IP67 rating. And so you don't drop it, spend 10 seconds to attach the wrist strap, or neck strap if you prefer. To turn it on, hold in the power button. It takes just a few seconds. Then adjust the OLED display screen for your eyes with this diopter control until the screen information is nice and sharp. A short press here changes the colour palettes, while a long press accesses the menu. There's a lens cap to protect the lens, and focusing couldn't be easier. And you won't believe the price, with 5 different Ranger thermal monoculars to choose from. You can watch another video to discover more, or subscribe, or visit thomasjacks.co.uk.